Just like people sport a different look for fall and winter than they do for spring and summer, your house has different maintenance needs depending upon the season. Here are a few things you should do in and around your house in the fall and winter versus the spring and summer. In the fall, close your crawl space vents. In the spring, open them back up. Disconnect and empty your garden hoses. Clean gutters and downspouts. Cover your hose bibs to protect them from freezing temperatures. Seal or paint any exposed woodwork. Winterize your sprinkler system. Check for signs of termites or get a pest inspection. Aerate and seed your lawn. Inspect the roof. Look for missing or damaged shingles. Clean and sharpen your lawnmowers and landscaping equipment so they're ready for spring. Check out driveways and sidewalks and seal any cracks. Have a chimney sweep inspect and clean your chimney. Power wash decks, driveways, and siding. Inspect your fire extinguishers. Mitigate any standing water for mosquito prevention. Repair any damaged or missing weather stripping around doors and windows. Check screens for holes and tears. Clean your carpets. Get your heat and air system serviced. Reverse ceiling fan rotation to push warm air down for the winter. Put ceiling fan rotation back in normal to pull hot air up for the summer. Change your smoke detector batteries. Change your smoke detector batteries. Whether you're heading into the fall and winter or spring and summer, taking a few minutes to perform seasonal maintenance will help your house perform better over time, and it will cut down on your home-related headaches and expenses.